Good morning children, Saira. Now today we will be revising lesson number 5, education. Now as we are revising children, we are also going to discuss the paper pattern of history and political science. Right? So these questions which I have mentioned, it will be both for history, political science, the same pattern of questions you will get. So I'm doing the revision for lesson number 5 based on the paper pattern, right? So accordingly, your first semester paper pattern, your paper of history and political science, it is for 20 marks. Okay. Now your first question, choose the right option. So wherein you will have fill in the blanks and where the options will be given, and you have to click the correct option. So dash help to step up the speed of scientific research. So the answer is computers. 4 options, and you have to select the correct option. In 1987, dash refused to allow India to get a supercomputer. So options given are America, China, Russia and Australia. And the correct answer is America. So you will just click on the correct option. India's first dash was set up at Kharagpur in West Bengal in 1951. So here you have options research, satellite, IIT and AIMS. And the correct answer is IIT. So for this you will just have to click the correct option. Then your next question will be match the following. Now in this you will have like this questions given and options also will be given. You just have to click on the correct option. So first is NCERT. So years are given. Children, you should be very much familiar with the years, right? Not only for match the following but also for other types of question. So 1967, 1961, 1994. So the correct answer is 1961. So you have to click on the correct option. DPEP. So the correct answer is 1994. And Bal Bharti, the correct answer is 1967. Right? So like this you will have to click on the correct option. Okay. So for match the following also you will get the options like this. Then your next question is state whether the following statements are true or false. So the statement will be given. The literacy level in the first census was 18%. So I hope you must have gone through the lesson. You must be having an idea what is the correct answer. So true or false? The literacy level in the first census was 18%. Is it right? No, it was 17%. So it will be false. So then you will have to click on the correct option, right? So it is false here, right? Then next question. The central government started a scheme called the Operation Blackboard. What you say? Is it true or false, children? Yes? True or false? The central government started a scheme called Operation Blackboard. Yes, it is true. So then you will click on the correct option. Understood? Then our next question will be answer in short. That means you will have one sentence and you will also have options for that. So suppose if the question is what is primary education? So then you will be given options. First option, second option, third option. So first option given is schooling given to children in the 6 to 14 years age group. Schooling given to children in the 5 to 12 years age group. And third, schooling given to children in the 8 to 18 years age group. So what is the correct answer here, children? Yes? Yes, correct. Schooling given to children in the 6 to 14 years of age group. So you will be clicking the correct option. Right? Let's proceed. One more answer in one sentence you'll get. In how many states were the DPEP started? So again you will get three options. The DPEP was implemented in 8 states. The DPEP was implemented in 7 states. The DPEP was implemented in 6 states. So what is the correct answer? Yes? Yes. The DPEP was implemented in 7 states including Maharashtra. Okay. So in this way you will be clicking the correct option. Next we have read the passage and answer the following questions. So again, like in English, as you have a passage will be given and you have to answer the questions. So for that we need to read the passage. The Maharashtra State Bureau of Textbook Production and Curriculum Research, that is Bal Bharti, was established in Pune on 27 January 1967. Bal Bharti prepares textbooks for school children. Textbooks are made in 8 languages, namely Marathi, Hindi, English, Urdu, Kannada, Sindhi, Gujarati and Telugu. Kishore, a monthly magazine for children, is also published by Bal Bharti. So like this extract will be given to you and you will have to find the answers. So again here also you will be given an option. In which year was Bal Bharti established? So what is the correct answer? 1968, 1966, 1967. Yes, the correct answer is 1967. Okay. Next question we have. In how many languages were the books made? Yes, just now we have read the extract. Yes, the books were made in 8 languages. So, click the correct option. Next we have, which magazine was published for children? And you have the options daily, weekly, monthly. So, which was the magazine published? Yes, the monthly magazine was published for the children. So, this is how you are going to solve the extract. Okay. Then next we have our next question is arrange the following in correct sequence, that is chronological order. So the first one is CSIR, second we have Kothari Commission, third India's first IIT and first indigenous computer. So for this children, as I told you before also, you should know the dates properly, right? So now tell me what will be the chronological order. You have the options here. A 1 2 3 4, B 1 3 4 2, C 1 3 2 4 and D 2 4 3 1. So which is the correct option here? Yes, so we have the correct option 1 3 2 4, right? So as we will see that CSIR was started in 1950, India's first IIT in 1964, then first indigenous computer in 1951 and so CSIR in 1950, Kothari Commission in 1964, India's first IIT in 1951 and indigenous computer in 1969. Okay. So in this way you are going to arrange. Answers will not be given to you all. Only options will be given 1, 2, 3, 4 and accordingly you are going to click on the correct option. So be familiar with the dates of the events also. Then you have the next question. Find the correct option. Find the incorrect option. So here you have to click on the incorrect option. Supercomputer, Dr. Vijay Bhatkar. Secondary education, Maulana Azad. Anutai Wagh, Coast Guard project. And Tarabai Modav, first education minister of India. So out of this, which is the incorrect pair, children? Incorrect option you have. Which is that? Yes? If you have read the lesson, you must be knowing the answer. The correct answer is Tarabai Modak. The incorrect option here. Because the correct answer is Tarabai Modak. She started Anganwadis. Okay? Then your next question will be explain the concept. Now these questions, children, explain the concept, and the next question, you will be given the question and the answer you need to type out. Okay? There will be no options given. Space will be provided to you. You need to type the answer. Like here it is Bhabha Atomic Research Center. So this institute has conducted valuable research in the fields of nuclear physics, solid state physics, spectroscopy, chemical and life sciences. It also started a school to train scientists for setting up nuclear reactors. So in this way, as the answers notes are provided to you as it is given, so accordingly you are going to write the answer, type out the answer. No options for question for this explain the concept, right? Same way you have the next question, answer in brief. Which programs were included in the Operation Blackboard scheme? Again here also space will be provided to you. You will be typing the answer. No options will be provided. So that means you will have subjective questions wherein you will have to learn the answers by heart as you need to type the answers. Okay? So children, this is how we have revised lesson number 5, and also we have learnt, we got to know our paper pattern for your exam. So be prepared for your exam. That's all for today. Thank you, children.